folks, just a quick update on my turtle tank that I built for Jessie, my red ear slider right here. I just added a few things. I changed the lamp so it's actually just one lamp shade, I guess is what it's called, to have both the UVB bulb and the heat lamp into one, and just looks a little cleaner. I also had to put a wall in the back, so that's all 3D printed. This is because Jessie tried to climb out from this corner, and I have video proof of her caught in 4K. Oh, I swear to God, I thought, oh my, I thought that was like a V10 for a red ear slider, but oh my lord, bruh, Jessie, why are you like this? You will fall. Dang, you are so strong, but why does the taste of freedom tempt you? So I built a little wall to make sure that she can't actually climb out at any point from the corner of this platform that I made. And I also recently made this 3D printed little basket here. So with this tank, or tub I would say, it's right next to the window, and that causes issues with algae growth. And this is something I had kind of known about when I made the tank and put it in this area, because I put it next to the window, and I knew window, obviously lots of algae, but I didn't want to put the tub anywhere else because then I think it'd be like, I wanted her to kind of like get interaction from people and not be in like a garage or something. That'd be kind of sad. But yeah, so one of the things I saw online said, oh, you can get like plants for your tank, and that will help control the algae because they'll outcompete it. So I'm trying that and see if that will work. And so I had to build a little basket for it so that she doesn't try to eat the lettuce, because I know that she definitely will. And then with these lettuce, when they have like leaves that are kind of going bad, I can just feed that to her because it is turtle safe. Yeah. Oh, another update is that I increased the water level significantly, but made sure that there's still air below the surface here that she can breathe out of. And I also added rocks on top of the middle section of the platform that I made. You can kind of see here, so that she can rest while she sleeps. They prefer to kind of sleep in like very shallow waters so they can still breathe, but still like be able to like sleep very easily. So I put a bunch of rocks so it makes it easier for her to just rest there and sleep in the night.